So here it is, the latest camera-centric phone from Motorola, the Motorola Edge 50 Ultra, which was recently launched. It features a fast refresh rate POLED display, a new flagship-grade processor, an impressive design, a 50-megapixel flagship camera setup, fast charging, and many other great features. Today, I am going to give you a detailed review of the Motorola Edge 50 Ultra. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky here. Please consider subscribing and turning on notifications by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's start by talking about the design of the Motorola Edge 50 Ultra. The phone comes in a leather black color, but there's also a unique wooden color option made from real wood. The back of the phone is crafted from a single piece of wood. I've already uploaded a first impression video of the wooden color, and you can find the link in the description below. The leather black color also looks great and gives the phone a professional, business look. This phone weighs 191 grams, which is a bit lighter than most flagship phones that are around 200 grams. It feels relatively light and thin, with a width of just 72.4 millimeters, making it easy to use with one hand. The phone also has a good grip when you hold it. An interesting thing about this phone is that when you open the box, you'll notice a nice fragrance inside. According to the company, the phone's box design was created in collaboration with a well-known fragrance company, Harmony of Aromas. This is a unique feature that hasn't been seen in any other phone so far. Additionally, the box includes a 125-watt charger. Now, let's talk about the camera of the Motorola Edge 50 Ultra. This time, AI has been integrated into the camera. The phone supports 3x optical zoom and 100x digital zoom, allowing you to capture photos that you can't see clearly with the naked eye. The Motorola Edge 50 Ultra captures detailed photos even from a distance. The main camera is 24 millimeters, and it produces realistic photos without excessive styling or shadow grading. This camera features a 1.3-inch sensor size and an f1.6 aperture, which allows for excellent low-light photography. You can expect high-quality photos even in complex lighting conditions. You can also check out the samples from the periscope telephoto camera. The camera includes a Smart HD mode, so you get high-quality photos even when capturing casually. For selfies, the phone has a 50-megapixel camera that captures great photos with natural beautification, better than many other phones. Regarding performance, the Motorola Edge 50 Ultra features the recently launched Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 processor, LPDDR5X RAM, and UFS 4.0 storage. One of the biggest upgrades in this chip is the enhanced AI computing power, providing several rich AI features on the phone. There are two practical AI features to highlight. 1. Lenovo Personal Assistant. This uses a deep AI language model to help with tasks like travel planning, providing all the necessary routes and information. 2. AI Artist. This feature lets you enter text into a text box, and the AI artist will create a sketch based on your description. These features showcase the advanced AI capabilities of the Motorola Edge 50 Ultra. The Moto Edge 50 Ultra features a 6.7-inch POLED display with a 144Hz refresh rate and a resolution of 1.5K. It has a pixel density of 446 ppi, 100% T3 wide color gamut, and HDR10 support, providing an excellent dynamic range for HDR10 content. Lastly, the phone comes with a 4,500 mAh battery, supporting 125-watt wired charging and 50-watt wireless charging. The Motorola Edge 50 Ultra is priced at £849.99 in the UK for the 16GB RAM and 1TB storage configuration, which seems slightly high considering its specifications. In conclusion, the phone offers a superb display, above-average camera performance, and good overall performance. However, the battery capacity is a bit low, and the price might be on the higher side. So, what are your thoughts on the Motorola Edge 50 Ultra? Feel free to share your opinions in the comment section below. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Also, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. As I sign off, thanks for watching. Have a great day, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next one.